I'm going to pick a new winner for the Crochet for Beginners Learn How to Crochet book that I wrote. I did pick a winner, but it's been over a week and they haven't claimed the book. So I did pick a new winner. All you need to do is contact me with my email that's listed down below in the description. Give me your contact information. I'll send it out to you as soon as possible. So this is my one book on Amazon. It's listed down below if you'd like to take a look. Paperback, it's for sale for $10.99, also $2.99 on Kindle. If you have Kindle Unlimited, it's free. Crochet Hats for Beginners is another book that I wrote. It's $3.99 or it's free on Kindle Unlimited. So the winner is Sandra Cellular, I think. I would love a signed copy of your book. I hope to teach my granddaughter to crochet, and this would be wonderful. When you updated your Facebook profile off screen, there was a beautiful little dress. I would love to see the tutorial if you did not already have one. Don't know the name of the pattern. I think I know what dress you're talking about. Maybe in the future I can do that. I just haven't done that yet. I try to do one pattern or two a week now because I have more free time because my kids are getting older. But anyways, congratulations, Sandra. If you get this and claim your book, I will sign it for you. I'll give it about a couple weeks. If I don't hear from you, I will have to pick a new winner. Thank you, everybody, for participating. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. And thank you, everybody, for watching my videos. Look out for new giveaways in the future.